गाइस कल मैंने रात को बहुत एक भारी फनी रील देखा, ठीक है। सो द रील इज ऑफ दिस गाय हु इज वॉकिंग, और ऐसे कैमरा ऐसा है, ठीक है। तो ओनली दिस मच ऑफ इट इज सीन, ही इज वॉकिंग एंड ही इज लाइक, इतने तो मेरे में फायदे भी नहीं है जितना लोग उठा लेते हैं।
What a line. What a
Wow.
तो मैं
This
मजाक
is
नहीं
this
कर
is the
रहा, मैं
next Salman
25
Khan
मिनट हंसा हूं।
clincher.
ब्रो मैं 25 मिनट हंसा हूं, इतना फनी है, इतना फनी था मैं।
भाई this is the line in the next Salman movie. ये आएगा ही आएगा.
bro, Salman wishes he could have writers like this. Like, meaning,
Wow.
the
मुझ
thing,
में फायदे नहीं है जो लोग जितना लोग उठा लेते हैं।
Wow. Wow.
something, the
Gold.
trouble is now for us as comedians, the trouble is that, you're no longer in this day and age competing with just other comedians.
Yeah,
You're competing with everybody.
everybody. Yeah,
Because on average, just a regular person has at least one great thought every year.
yeah.
Yeah.
Just one great thought every year, and they put it out now.
Bro, this video had like 1 million likes.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not some influencer, someone. I have a feeling the guy is either from UP or Bihar. And
Bhai,
he just
this
put
guy will
this.
launch his tour. This guy is going to launch his poetry tour in the next 2 months. Tu dekh. And he's just going to come on stage and say six lines. Sorry, one line. And ऐसे करके 50,000 रील पर शो निकालेगा ये.
कर भी लेगा भाई, भरोसा नहीं है.
You know,
But it's not just that. तू comments पढ़ा है?
of course.
Bro, the comments of these videos have some of the funny. I'm like, fuck, देखो कैसा आया थॉट ये. फिर मैं जाके क्लिक करता हूँ इस इंसान के प्रोफाइल पे, 500 फॉलोअर है, ठीक है. ना कॉमेडियन है, ना आर्टिस्ट, ना राइटर है, कुछ नहीं, जस्ट नॉर्मल गाय. हिलेरियस कमेंट, उसके कमेंट पे 50,000 लाइक है. So whatever personality test we took that said we should be comedians is, I think, now null and void. Which is
Full frauds.
also the topic of today's episode. तो इसी segue G3 के साथ शुरू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random shit, facts, and different personal stories and we talk about it. Today, we're going to talk about personality tests. So, we're going to discuss a few, take a few. So, you guys also, while we're doing it, play along, see what sort of personality type trait you have, and let us know in the comments.
Yeah, like so
Yeah.
basically this the idea for this episode came about like this. So Siddhi, my wife,
Oh, yeah.
she had
Acha.
It to be established now.
so,
Wait, what? You're married?
exactly. So one day she came back home from work and she said, you know what happened? We had a person who had come into work who was like they have these seminars for improvement of employees, right? So he had come in and he made us do a personality test. Okay, so I was like, well, that's interesting. And I was like, I would really like to know if the personalities that I think of when I think of Varun and Adar are the ones that would also come out in a test. Okay, so we were discussing it and we were like, you know what, this could be a great episode to kind of just, talk about some of the things that happen in personality tests. And the questions that you are asked in these tests are also very thought provoking, oddly enough. So,
Just to clarify, we are not trained psychologists or anything. All
Yes.
comments.
One second. You guys
not
speak
to
for
be-
yourselves, okay? I have seen so many psychologists, and I'm like, okay, I could probably do that. And I'm trained. I'm untrained. I'm an
No.
untrained psychologist. My phone number will be down in the comments in case you guys want to reach out.
So yeah, but like if you are a psychology student, psychologist, therapist, we just want to say sorry in advance.
Yeah, for your unemployment.
Because I'll tell you what, in the last episode also, there was somebody who was a chemical engineer or something, and उसने पूरा एक comment लिखा है
Californium.
Californium के ऊपर. It's quite good to read. So if you are somebody who practices the topic that we are trying to speak about,
Then get ready.
and all,
Fact check.
yeah, checks or other interesting factoids that we might have missed out on, let us know in the comments. So, personality test, the first thing we're going to start with is the Are You Psychopath test. Because Because
Because that's the only thing that matters.
if
You could be anything, just don't be a psychopath.
no, because if you
Okay,
take this test and it's positive, then there's no point taking any of the other 50,000 tests that are out there.
Okay. So the point of the psychopath test, I just need to set some context, is that there's no such thing as a positive or negative here. Okay, a lot of these, I'm going to ask you a couple of riddles. These are around like murder or stuff like that. But the point is how you get to the answer.
Huh.
And that kind of estimates a person's risk for engaging in violent or criminal antisocial behavior. And how fast you get to it, and how you get to it, and why your brain went in that direction when most people's brain goes in another direction.
There is another caveat to this. It can also signify how many Netflix documentaries have you watched? Because if you have charted their catalog, you can pretty much give answers to anything that will prove that you are a psychopath. So, guys, disclaimer: if it comes out that I'm a psychopath, it's Netflix.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have a feeling, Other, before you start, I have a feeling that
Huh.
at the end of this test, a few people are going to really think long and hard about who they are.
What do they are. But the thing is, the people on the Netflix documentary public, I would classify you as sociopaths. Like if you can, you can, if you are very into that, you're more sociopathic than psychopathic. You won't
Me only,
really.
bro.
You're,
अरे but what if you're using it as research? And you're like,
oh,
ये देख तू रेकी कर रहा है कि देख भाई अगर मैं ऐसा मर्डर करूंगा तो पुलिस आके ये वाला करता है तो मैं ये वाला करूंगा. Bro, there are times when Nikita and I are watching it and there is a murder scene or something happening. Our commentary on that is, dude, what a fucking idiot. He's not worn this glove. Oh, he's left his fingerprint there. Oh, this has happened. Like, and then we just look at each other like, wait, are we murderers or killers? Because we seem to know an awful lot of how to
Dude, मेरे को भी लगता है like if we really had to do it at this point, I think me and Aparna can murder somebody and know what to do with the body and stuff like that. It's like नहीं याद है उसने ये किया था, हाँ ये गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए, and then it's just based on
ये वीडियो
references.
आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट जब जाएगा ना कभी अपन
Look, देखिए ये
मर्डर
देखिए comedians, ये साले comedians मर्डर की बात कर रहे हैं.
ये सो कॉल्ड कॉमेडियंस. चल बता दे
Okay.
psychopath test.
So this is the first test. Okay, this is the first test. The first riddle. A woman is at her mother's funeral when suddenly she sees a man so handsome that she instantly falls in love with him. Now they start talking, and there is definitely a connection. But now because she's so busy with all the other things at the funeral and kuch kaam karna hai, ye karna, because she's the daughter, she misses him and he leaves. Now she's not gotten his phone number, nothing. And she has no way, and she's asking people who it was, and they're like, no, we don't have an idea. Must be a family friend. The next day, her sister is murdered.
Hmm.
How did it happen?
Was
Sister is murdered. How did the murder happen?
Yeah.
was the
Who did the murder? Who
Wait,
did the murder?
That
How did
guy,
the
that
murder?
guy
yeah.
That
He
guy.
he had murdered the mother first,
first.
and then
And then he
killed
saw the chick. He had a connection, and he's like, I want to meet her again. So he murdered the sister.
No,
You
that
guys-
would make sense, na?
हाँ, do you want me to reveal this? These are your
Wait,
final
wait,
answers.
wait,
You
wait,
want to
wait,
discuss?
wait,
हाँ,
one second,
हाँ,
one
एक
second.
second.
How did the murder happen? Oh, wait. Did this lady kill her sister because she found out that the sister was dating this guy or had some kind of like love connection with him or something?
So
What?
this guy was the sister's secret boyfriend who
Something like
this
that.
chick, whose mother died, had a connection with. So she killed the sister so that the boyfriend comes for the funeral, and then
Oh no, I didn't think he'll
Yes.
come. Like I thought she'll get with like to get to this guy, like basically so that her path is clear, she's killed the sister. Is that what is it?
bro, or this
Okay.
guy is imaginary. This guy is imaginary, and every time this chick kills somebody, the guy shows up. So that she's
Oh,
psychopathic, so she keeps killing people, and every time she kills at the funeral, she sees this guy who she has a connection with. तो इसके इधर मर्डर होते जा रहा है, इसका
ठाकुर।
कनेक्शन है, लेकिन वो बज रही है और वो
12
आगे
murders, 12 murders, 15 funerals. This is the great movie script.
You should have at least said, "Hey, these are spoilers for the movie Con, please." You haven't seen it. बोल क्या है आदर?
Okay. So, considering the fact that you guys went to the first answers or
Hmm.
even the second answers,
Hmm.
you guys are not psychopaths.
What?
No, we are not.
You're not psychopaths. In
Huh.
spite of you trying to find every permutation combination, you guys did not go to the one motive that a psychopath would have gone to.
Which
You
is?
guys kept going to the fact that, okay, the sister, she killed her own sister so that the guy comes to the funeral. So that part, on some level, you guys got. But you were trying to find a motive behind the fact that, oh, this man probably had an affair with the sister and this like that. So if you think on those terms that there must be a motive, you're not a psychopath. A psychopath would just be like, I met the guy, I loved him. Oh, he was at the funeral, so maybe he'll come to another funeral of my family, so let me kill my own sister. That's it. There is no motive. And if you think there was no motive, then you're a psychopath. So Thakur thoda आधा psychopath because Thakur kept going. Thakur पौना psychopath.
Almost bro, मैं right था.
How
Yeah,
close?
yeah, yeah.
मेरे इसमें कोई imaginary था. मैं उसको एक almost mental condition दे रहा था. Now that I think about it, I didn't do it consciously, but there was still some reasoning to justify.
Yeah, but also
So you
there's the
think when you
speed.
start justifying is when you lose that. तो
Yeah,
ऐसे
but it's also the speed. Your first reaction was not the psychopath reaction. So that is the test actually. Okay, how fast you go to the blatant murder.
So wait, if you take this test and you went through that, which says are you supposed to be reported? कि भाई एक मिनट
Yeah,
ये
possibly. Like
ये
ask your
test है और ये
significant
confirm.
others, ask your friends, and just test them casually. And just randomly. If they just go, हाँ बहन ने मारा है. क्यों? ऐसे ही क्योंकि उसको मिलने का था. Just
Oh,
start taking 10
तो फिर
steps
वो दोस्त
away
को
from them.
चाकू से दूर रखना कभी भी.
I also think it's a little bit about how it's behind the storytelling also. Like, you like if you paint this guy as like in my head, he was like a mysterious stranger. So
Yeah.
I jumped first to he's killed the sister. And not the sister.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
so most
later
people,
answers went
you're the
into
most
us
normal.
trying
This
to.
is the most normal answer. Kautuk's answer is the most normal answer. Ah, sorry, Varun.
No, I'm saying we also went to the others is because then we're trying to figure और क्या क्या हो सकता है.
Yeah.
But your instinctive answer was not
Already मारा है.
psychopathic answers. Guys, if तुम psychopathic answer लिखे हो, लिख दो नीचे hashtag I'm a psychopath.
I'm a psychopath. That's your thing for
Homework
today.
है, hashtag I'm
I'm
a
a
psychopath.
psychopath.
And we
Or
all,
I'm not a psychopath. Just write, I'm not a psychopath also. Let people get confused to come to the video and
Yeah.
just see 50 comments. I'm not a psychopath.
so no, if you were a psychopath, right, you are. If you were not, say I am not a psychopath. Okay, chal, must.
Okay. This is the second one. Okay. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
This is a very Cluedo kind of space. Okay. And this is like something. This test is based on the fact that you know how they got Hannibal Lecter. So you get another psychopath to figure out how the psychopath committed the murder. So it's like if you can figure it out fast, that means you have that tendency to think in those terms. Okay. It's more sleuthy. Mr. James is found dead in his room. The room had no windows and the door was locked from the inside. Only 4 people had the key. Sophie the maid. Okay, and these were people who were questioned. Okay, so Sophie the maid, she entered and she's like, I entered the room to wake Mr. James up and I saw him dead. And she screamed. Then they asked the butler, John. John is like, I heard the scream, so I came running. I entered the room, I switched the light on, and I see Mr. James with a knife inside his neck.
Huh.
Then they asked his wife, Samantha. She says, I ran in with John. And when he switched on the light, I saw the room was completely covered in blood. And they asked the chef, Jack. He was like, I was inside the kitchen. I had nothing to do with this and I saw nothing.
Okay.
Who committed the murder? The room was locked from the inside and there are no windows.
But 4 people had a key.
Sophie the maid, John the butler.
Sorry, just one clarifying question. So if the room is locked from the inside, so they opened it for the first time, each of them. No, how did that happen?
Yeah. It's so each this one the Sophie the maid is the one who opened it first
Opened
and she
for the
screamed.
first time.
Huh,
And
she
then the
screams.
second guy came, the butler came. He saw the guy lying there with a knife in his throat, which Sophie didn't see. Then
Yeah.
the third chick came, she's like, not only you didn't mention about her seeing the knife. You just said that she saw like
And
the room was
she just screamed when she saw the sight.
and the last guy is a chef who did not come only to the room, according to him.
Yeah. वो अपना काम कर रहा था, वो भाजी काट रहा था. He's like,
Who,
Oh,
I got
I
work to
know
do.
it. I know it. It's the chef. It's the chef. Because what was he cutting the bhaji with if the knife was in this guy's neck?
You're telling me this rich household with a butler and a chef doesn't have more
Because-
than one knife in the entire house?
No, but like it's also the chef. अरे यार चाकू का है.
अरे शेफ ने किया है, चाकू है तो चाकू से खाना कैसे बना है?
फिर वो chef जाकर निकाल दे 1 मिनट सर. हाँ.
No, it's that. Right? कि then the police grill him कि भाई तू अच्छा तू किचन में था? हाँ मैं किचन.
हाँ.
पर तू किस चीज से काट रहा है? चाकू से काट रहा था. कौन सा चाकू? इसे बड़ा वाला चाकू. तो पुलिस को ये हो ही नहीं सकता. चल.
वहां पे काजोल के पास एक और चाकू है. काजोल इज द मर्डर.
Okay.
That's the safe answer always. That Kajol is a murderer. But
I think then the second option I think is the wife. That's
The
my
wife. Why would the wife kill him?
because she came running.
not having an affair with the butler.
Butler. She came in running with the butler. And generally,
Oh.
statistically speaking,
तो
And
कुछ
they
चल रहा है दोनों का. हाँ.
and they teamed up with the chef to poison the guy's food.
oh, it was all of them. Wow.
Yeah, they all committed the murder.
Okay, so those are our three answers. Other, what is it?
You are wrong, and Antariksh, he's been typing answers to us also, so you guys can't see. Antariksh is a psychopath.
Why?
Because Antariksh immediately caught the fact that it's the maid because the butler entered and he's like, I switched on the light and then I saw. So how did the maid enter the room and just immediately see this horrible, grotesque sight and scream?
But उसने
तो
light on
ये
किया, फिर scream किया और फिर
You
बंद
can
किया.
also उसने दरवाजा खोला, मूनलाइट आ रही है, स्ट्रीट लाइट का आ रहा है, नीचे कोई
अबे
पड़ा
wake him up,
चिल्ला
wake
दिया.
him up, wake him up करने के लिए. So the curtains are drawn, everything. वो सो रहा है apparently. So she has to go, she has to open the curtains, everything. But curtains नहीं है because there's no windows in the room, so there's no light.
ओह अच्छा, मैं वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो भूल ही गया. तो अंतरिक्ष किलर है.
Antariksh psychopath है. So guys, that's why we don't record in person. We make him sit on Zoom call.
कभी मार देगा मालूम नहीं.
हाँ, पता नहीं.
हाँ, फिर
All
next.
right.
But
This
this is
next one.
that you are a serial killer more that you are a cop.
Yeah, so this is more sleuthy. So this is on the term, but you guys couldn't figure it out. So it's like why would they get Hannibal Lecter to solve the thing about Buffalo Bill? So that is the point. It's like, okay, can you think in terms of a psychopath?
I don't know. By the way, we don't know how accurate this is, but they're fun.
They're fun.
Tell next one.
और जब तक अपना
Okay.
आंसर नेगेटिव आ रहा है तब तक इट्स
सही
ग्रेट.
है, तब तो और fun.
So next one is more of a so it's a fictional test that people ask to consider the moral conundrum of law. It's called the Ronald Opus test. Okay, so this is a complicated case. On March 23rd, 1994, a medical examiner reviewed the body of Ronald Opus. And he concluded that he died from a gunshot wound to the head by a shotgun. Now, investigation showed that the deceased, had jumped from the top of a 10-story building with the intent to commit suicide, and he had left a note indicating his intent. Now, as he jumped from the 10th floor, on the 9th floor, he was interrupted by a shotgun blast that hit him on his head,
No,
killing him instantly.
no.
Now, neither the shooter nor the victim was aware of the fact that there were window cleaners on that building and they had erected a net on the 8th floor to protect any window cleaners from falling and dying. So technically, if he had tried to commit suicide and not been interrupted by the gunshot, he would have been saved. He would not have died.
Okay.
So now a person who tries to commit a suicide and ultimately succeeds, and it doesn't matter what the intent is, it is considered to be a suicide. But the fact that he was shot on the 9th story and he would have not died technically points to a homicide.
Okay.
Now I'll tell you what was happening with the gunshot. On the 9th floor, there was an old couple, and the husband was threatening his wife with a shotgun, which is something that he did very normally. Like it was a regular occurrence in this house where they would fight, and this guy would take out a shotgun and मार दूंगा. This is ये उनका रोज का होता है.
बुलेट कहाँ रखी है? बुलेट पता है कहाँ रखी है? फिर भाई पता नहीं. हाँ, मैंने आपके वो
That's
शर्ट
what.
देखी
The
बुलेट.
husband kept threatening his wife because the gun was never loaded.
Okay.
But this time the gun was loaded and the husband was not aware of this.
So then it
So-
was Dadiji was trying to shoot the husband, so she loaded it and kept.
So apparently what had happened was the son, their son, the couple's son, had loaded, somebody had witnessed him load, the maid had witnessed him load the gun 6 weeks ago.
Okay.
So technically, even though if you go to murder somebody, like the husband was trying to threaten his wife with a gun and by chance kill somebody else, it's still homicide. It's still a murder. So is the husband to blame or the son who loaded the gun?
Firstly, it is the guy who jumped from a building and didn't look down to see that there was a net there.
Yeah, he is to be.
It's his fault.
क्योंकि
Yes,
तू
to
10
be.
माले से कूद रहा है, तेरे को पता है 8 माले पे तो नेट दिख ही जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं कि 3rd
Yeah.
फ्लोर पे या कुछ है.
Like literally look before you leave, bro. Like
But that's the point ना. How will you jump अगर तू ऐसे देख के कर रहा है? You're like ऐसा बंद करके and it's like
sure. To go with
I mean,
okay. So,
yeah.
was the guy who pulled the trigger or the guy who loaded the gun? I think it's the guy who
Yeah.
pulled the trigger. The guy who pulled the
Now
trigger.
I'll tell you one more information.
Oh, no.
The son
I
the
thought
son
my
loaded. So the son's mother was horrible to him and she had cut him off from their finances. So the son was pissed at the mother and he knew that the husband and wife keep quarreling and the father keeps pointing the shotgun at him. So the son hoped that he can load the gun and the father will shoot the mother and his problems will be solved. So the son intended to get his mother killed.
Okay.
So now the son also had the intent of the murder.
But I think like
So
I think if you load a gun, it's still I mean you could have it.
Fires, right?
You can't guess the intent of the person loading a gun. So it's only the intent of the person who fires it. Because that guy is arguing and then he fires it.
Because clearly when Dadaji fired, he was firing it towards someone. थोड़ी ऐसे मस्ती में building के बाहर gun फोड़ता है.
Dude, like, for
it's
example,
it's not a North Indian wedding.
so to like in a real life incident that mirrored this, except that there was nobody committing suicide at the same time. So Alec Baldwin, right? He's on
Yeah,
a-
on the film set.
on the film set, right? He had a prop gun, but the prop gun had real bullets.
Yeah.
And he shoots the gun, and the cinematographer died. Okay, but
Yeah.
the gun was actually loaded. Now the question was, Alec Baldwin didn't know that the gun had real bullets. So is it Alec Baldwin or is it the guy, the armorer who prepared the prop gun?
Yeah.
But eventually it was Alec Baldwin who was tried because he was the guy who pulled the trigger. So,
Yeah, but he got acquitted. Also, there are rules like you don't point a weapon at the camera. That's at the audience. That's one rule that we have been taught
Oh yeah.
dealing with all. Yeah, you just never
interesting.
like even if you've got a sword in your hand, you never point it to the audience. So ऐसा करके there
So
are
you
rules
can
in
kill
place.
a co-actor, but not the audience, is what you're saying.
Co-actor has been rehearsed.
You can kill an
So
audience
those
with
are-
your performance. Not
Yeah. अरे
that they only themselves do it. कि अबे ये क्या
देखो guys,
क्या देख लिया picture.
So what
I
was
have
the psychopath
there is
test?
another part of this thought experiment
Oh
that
no.
he's got a this is Abbas Mastan turn. The
कि
son had loaded. Yeah, it's he वही बाप है.
वही
बेटा ही
बात
बाप
The
है.
son was the guy who committed suicide.
Yes.
Oh.
So now, what is
No.
it? Is it a suicide? Is it a murder? Because the son wanted to kill the mother, but उसने 6 हफ्ते पहले गन में गोली डाला था और ये लोग लड़ रहे नहीं है, तो the son got frustrated and he's like, मैं ही मर जाता हूँ. And he jumped off and the father killed him.
So फिर this is karma. खत्म, case closed. Everyone's acquitted.
बट ये क्या बाप मूवी बनती है.
Yeah.
बस दोस्तान, अगर आप ये देख रहे हो और अगर आपने इसको बना दिया तो हमें 25%.
Oila, oila, oila.
अवेला. हाँ, 4 गाने भी मिल जाएंगे तुम लोग को.
बाप.
बाप वाला था ब्रो ये. मस्त.
हाँ.
टर्न पे टर्न.
Done better. Okay. Going from amazing psychopath tests to the next one, which is a very famous psychological test, which is called
Hmm.
the Rorschach test.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So, for those of you who don't know, Rorschach test is basically uh, you get shown ink blots, okay, and you have to basically look at the ink blot, and you have to just say what you're seeing, feeling, experiencing, what it represents to you, what you think it is, etc. Okay, now very interestingly, this was made by a Swiss psychologist called Hermann Rorschach. Okay. And Hermann Rorschach was, by the way, go check out his photo. He had the most modern haircut, the most like strikingly good-looking guy. हाँ. So Hermann Rorschach ने he interacted with 300 patients, had 100 control patients, and then eventually devised his famous ink blot test.
हाँ.
Now,
Size 300.
no, I mean not sample size. He's basically studied them, interacted with 300 patients, then 100 control patients, and then basically an idea came to him. Bro, I think if I show people ink blots, I can pull out what is troubling them. So
This is how he was dealing with his household problems. He would
Yeah.
come to shower, leave the bathroom wet. His wife is like, Herman, what is that? He's like, baby, that's not water. That's
It's a test.
when you see the shape of the water on the ground. उसने दाल गिरा दिया. You're dropping everything. No, baby, I'm not dropping. That's not dal. That and tell me what you feel. बोला भाई घर पे चल रहा है, अभी चल 300 पेशेंट पर डाल देता हूँ.
But honestly, most Rorschach tests look like ऐसे करके किताब में कुछ गिर गया है और किताब को हम लोग बंद कर देते ना और फिर ऐसे आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट में बनाता है. Most of the tests look like that.
The thing was, dude, I think like what's for me very funny is that he made like hundreds and hundreds of these ink blot drawings until he narrowed it down to his favorites, okay, which he thought has the most psychological potential.
Oh wait, so there's a point to it. It's not just random blots that we've been seeing this whole time.
According to Herman, there is a bigger point. And if you are a psychologist who,
पेपर पे डाल के ऐसा खोल रहा है ना कि सिर्फ ड्रॉप कर रहा है. कैसा?
I don't know how he made it, but essentially he makes hundreds of these drawings. He tries to publish them as a book. Okay, but
runs out of ink.
there's no interest for it because people are like, "Tu kya bol raha
क्या
hai,
है?
Arman?" Adar, can you just show us what a Rorschach test looks like?
Yeah, so this is like the worst Tare Zameen Par script I think we would be given. So this is a Rorschach.
थोड़ा
Yeah,
इसको
this
side
is-
में कर, can
हाँ,
you
थोड़ा और
side
साइड
में?
पे करते हैं. हाँ, एक सेकंड.
Okay, so basically it looks like this. Okay, so if you've never seen a Rorschach test, it kind of looks like this. Adar is being hidden behind it.
I'm this.
That is the bat that gave the world coronavirus, bro. That is
Yeah.
what I'm seeing.
Oh, that's what you saw?
Yeah.
I saw I'm seeing like a क्या बोलते हैं? I'm seeing like Sauron or something, like a villain who's gloating.
Oh,
हाँ, तेरे को क्या दिख रहा है?
मेरे को the thing is I feel the
Mutant
the
butterfly.
entire- yeah, no, I see a mask. I see something more. I see more Rothschild than this. It looks like eyes wide shut.
I also see a Triceratops. Like दो हॉर्न इधर है और दो एक.
Ah,
ड्रैगन का फ्रंट एंगल दिख रहा है.
हाँ, वो भी है.
ड्रैगन का फ्रंट एंगल दिख रहा है. आग भी है, उसके कान भी आ गए.
Yeah. So okay, so we don't know what any of this means, by the way. So we can't interpret it.
Oh, really? I doubt Rorschach also knew what a lot of this meant.
So basically, the psychologist is supposed to write down everything you see and experience, and no matter how
Yeah.
trivial. Other thing was that nobody wanted to publish this book because they were like, "तू क्या कर रहा है हरमन? This is
से बम बाहर निकाल के कोई खड़ा है.
हाँ, ये मुझे लग रहा है वो कपड़े धो रहे हैं, लाइक कपड़े वपड़े, लाइक लॉन्ड्री में से, लाइक वॉशिंग मशीन से कपड़े उठाते हैं ना, इससे ऐसे करके उठा रहे दो पब्लिक.
If you're listening to this on Spotify, you'll have to come on YouTube because we are actually showing the test that we are reacting to. Public phone पे जो सुन रहे होंगे ऑडियो पे भारी कंफ्यूज कि क्या बोल रहे हैं ब्रो, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, what is this one?
guy on a Harley Davidson."
Yeah, bro, it looks like
Yeah.
Immortan Joe. So what is
This
this
is one of
supposed to
those. It's
mean?
Undertaker. It's not supposed to be anything. That is the point. That is why his books didn't sell.
Why did he
No,
use
no,
this?
I mean-
he could have just pointed at the clouds. It's cloud is nature's Rorschach, bro. ऊपर देख के बोल क्या लग रहा है? कुत्ते लग रहे हैं, हार्ली डेविडसन दिखाई दे रहा है, एप्पल है.
Can
आई
you
थिंक
imagine
उसके
that?
पास बहुत सारा पेपर था और उसके बच्चे ने पूरा हक दिया पेपर पे, सब ऐसा पेंट वेंट फैला दिया, ये सब किया, एंड देन ही वांटेड टू जस्टिफाई द यूज ऑफ स्टेशनरी. तो इसने ये बुक बना के अपने एडिटर को थमा दिया उसने, ये देखो बुक
Dude,
Rorschach.
speaking of stationery, can you imagine how confused the stationery wala opposite Herman Rorschach's office must be? ये रोज आ रहा है रोज सर आप क्या इंक के साथ क्या कर रहे हो?
तो बोला सर नया बॉल पॉइंट पेन आ गया है सर, आप क्यों ले रहे हो अभी तक इंक? फाउंटेन पेन छोड़ दो. नो नो, आई जस्ट हैव टू राइट माय बुक. उधर दिखा रहा है उसके पास लिखने के लिए इंक नहीं बचा है. तो यू हैव टू वेट 20 more years for a typewriter to be able to publish his studies. मेरे में इंक ही खत्म हो गया यार. वो क्या है, मैं टेस्ट में डाल देता हूँ सब कुछ. हरमन,
ये कोरोना.
No, this is
ये बैट के पीछे के साइड दिख रहा है.
it's an
हाँ.
insect of some kind. It's a
Why is हाँ वही the bat is
Dude,
showing his ass.
90% of these Rorschach tests looks like insects, butterflies,
Yeah.
butterflies after bench
ये
press.
क्या है?
I'm sorry, this looks like a
This is a mosquito after I shut him in the book.
This is a filleted paplet.
Yeah.
Okay, this. Oh, भाई कलर से भी एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है भाई ने.
It's two jaguars walking up.
Bro, this color
मेरे को कमेलियन लगा है. देख ये कमेलियन नहीं लगता तुम लोगों को थोड़ा?
chameleon लग रहा है, correct.
मुझे
तो
एनिमल लग
chameleon-
रहा है.
चल रहा है,
हाँ.
correct. But it's also looking like there's tickets available for Amsterdam, London and Toronto.
अरे yes.
और माँ कसम. भाई
क्या
Rorschach
बात है?
काफी एक्यूरेट था यार. उसको कैसे मालूम 28 जून,
Yeah,
29 जून और 4 और 5 जुलाई को हम टोरंटो आ रहे हैं. फक Rorschach, क्या बात है गाइस. Rorschach के नाम पे ले लीजिए शो के टिकट्स. कनाडा तो ऑलमोस्ट फुल हो गया है. थैंक यू सो मच. एम्स्टरडैम और लंदन तुम लोग भी ले लो प्लीज. और माँ कसम के साथ साथ मेरा यूएस टूर भी हो रहा है राइट आफ्टर माँ कसम. सो टिकट्स फॉर दैट आर आल्सो इन द लिंक. तो ले लो प्लीज, टूर भी दो. थैंक यू. एंड देन यू आर टाइप ए पर्सनालिटी. हाँ,
Yeah.
Oh,
You're
wait.
A plus, guys. In our book, you're A plus.
two goats with a bow tie making out angrily. Guys, if you saw that as well, let us know in the comment. It looks like that, bro.
भाई बहुत
Angry
कुछ
goats
है.
making out.
This is just 4th of July celebration. और जिससे वेरी सैड लेडी, देख किसी ने बहुत गंदा उसका मेकअप किया और विग डाला उसके सर पे, एंड शी इज लाइक अरे यार ये क्या
और ये उसने
बकवास
ऐसे ये स्कार्फ पहना है.
This
हाँ.
is, in my mind, this is basically white shirt after Holi.
Yeah. I like how your groin area has green color. I want to know the
Yeah.
story behind that color application. Yeah, happy Holi. Ah.
Okay. I got to tell you this crazy story, okay, about how the idea of the type A and the type B personality came about. Okay, so firstly, I have to just preface this by telling you that your personality can also lead to illnesses. Okay,
Hmm.
this was discovered in this particular story. So, what is type A and type B personality? Type A people are essentially people who are overly ambitious, overly overachievers. They are very they have time constraints in their lives, and they're very hostile and fidgety. Okay, it's those people. Type B people are people who are more easygoing, who are more relaxed, who don't have this kind of innate sense of urgency that the type A people have. So basically, chill people and type A people. Okay, that's
हाँ.
the world is divided into. Now, how was this discovered? Okay, this was discovered by two cardiologists. Okay, their names were Maya Friedman and Ray Rosenman.
Hmm.
Now, what happened was that these guys were two cardiologists who had their practice, and they were running up a massive amount of bill. Okay, like they were spending a fortune on reupholstering the chairs that were there in their waiting rooms. Okay, so they would, chada one kapda on the chair, and then very soon afterward, the chair would be completely worn out. So they would call the upholsterer again. He would again change the kapda, and this would keep happening. And they're spending like a lot of money on this, and they're so confused. What the hell is going on? That's when they get in touch with this, like a different upholsterer who was from San Francisco. He comes to their office. He sees the state of this chair. Okay? The chair is like it's in a bad state. Like the kapda has been, like it's completely worn down. The armrests have been gisawed. It's like the kapda is completely like it's in tatters. Okay. So this guy sees it and he's like, dude, he just says this in passing, okay, to the two cardiologists. He's like, I don't think your patients are normal because I've worked in other doctors' offices and no one has this. So when he says this,
It's like, अरे ये मेरा and he just points to a dog. Just, ये मेरे patients है.
nahi. So what happens is he says this and leaves. Now the two cardiologists think about this random statement made by this upholsterer, and they begin to then see the pattern. So the people who were coming to their offices, they tended to be type A personalities who were overly anxious, who were very like fidgety, hostile, etc. And so they would it was like they couldn't sit still. Like they constantly were moving, just uncomfortable, uneasy. And basically, type A personalities are linked to increased heart diseases, increased heart problems, hypertension, all of that stuff. And it's having that personality type is almost as bad as having high cholesterol. So there was a clear link between the people who were showing up in the cardiologist's office and their personality.
ब्रो
So,
क्या बोल रहा है? मैं तो इजी गोइंग हूँ, लेकिन मेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई था थोड़े टाइम पहले, अभी
but
कंट्रोल
I
में है.
mean, so that's still a better place to be than if you had high cholesterol और तो एकदम
या देन तो कंफर्म, फिर तो वीक ऑन वीक विजिट होगा उधर.
yeah. So that's how they discovered it, dude. That's how they first figured out.
It's
Yeah,
crazy, like a psychological thing has been discovered by cardiologists.
yeah, by a
By
physiological
no, not even cardiologist. The cardiologist didn't do anything. It's the upholsterer. It's the
upholsterer.
guy who got no credit.
Bro, exactly. There's like there was a behavioral scientist called Robert Sapolsky. So he was narrating this incident. So he basically said, there's a upholsterer somewhere who's sitting in a bar,
Yeah.
telling people, bro, do you know my contribution to psychology?
मैं बोला उन लोगों को गाने लोग मेरा रिसर्च चिराया छाप
ये
दिया
साले,
साल
ये
में
फ्रॉइड
करोड़ों
फ्रॉइड
कमाए
यूंग सब चूतिए.
साले लोग. मैं बोला इन लोगों को तुम लोग का फटा हुआ है क्योंकि तुम लोग ये लोग पागल है.
तो मालूम नहीं, मैं साला बी पर्सनालिटी हूँ, बी.
ये लोग जो मेरा चोरी गया वो लोग टाइप बीसी है, समझा? So that was a crazy story behind the type A and type B people. Next, we want to come.
Wow. लेकिन एक दिन अपन क्या है, टाइप है.
I think most comics are, I think, type B. We are a little
No,
more
I
chill.
don't think so. I don't think so. I think
No, why? Just because they're comics doesn't mean. In fact, most comics you'll see are very like उनको tension mention, and this is like one of the parts of their release, so to speak.
you know something, dude. I feel like I used to be more of a type A person, and then I read philosophy, and then I became slightly more chill.
But I think it's obviously it's broadly categorized, but I think most people
So-
will somehow fall
so-
in that middle this ना कि
There
आज
is-
सुपर
Yeah,
टाइप है,
yeah.
रात को आज दुग्गल जी टाइप भी है, you know.
नहीं, so
हाँ तो spectrum होएगा ना. There must be a spectrum. There might
there
be
is
not.
that.
हाँ.
There is that, and there's also other factors which are, for example, like if you're generally a type B person, but you're put under certain circumstances, you become type A. So, for example, like that happens to all three of us, right? If we're, for example, if we have shows lined up, right? And it's very like a stressful period. We all like all three of us become very like
हाँ और शो के बाद सीधा टाइप भी immediate it's
exactly,
the
exactly.
flip.
So the example he had given was, for example, if you're a type B person, but you're in, you're stuck in a line. Okay, it's a long line, and people aren't moving, fast and properly, and you start getting irritated.
Then I become a type C
Display.
person and I call everybody, अबे चूतिए जाना आपके जल्दी चूतिए साले चूतिए लोग.
Yes, there are some people who are generally type B, but you put them behind a steering wheel in a car, suddenly
अरे टाइप BC,
हाँ
MC, C,
everything.
CK, MC, MC, KC, BC.
Yeah. So
but I love the people who become who are गाली नहीं देते हैं वो ऐसा they're chill in life like my mother is very chill in life
yeah,
but the moment she gets behind the wheel of a car
yeah,
ये
yeah.
ऐसे panic all the time it's like the car is plotting against her it's like मम्मी आप ही चला रहे हो गाड़ी it's not gonna do anything that you don't make it to
So basically, if you're a fidgety, anxious person, then just keep a monitor on your heart essentially, because like you could be more at risk.
nice
Fidgety, anxious, overachiever, all of those things.
And let us know in the comments if you're A, B, or C.
BC oh
Okay, next up, we want to discuss the Myers-Briggs personality test.
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
Myers-Briggs.
yes
And Kautuk, let me tell you,
हाँ.
without even knowing, मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ रहा था and I think you are an INFJ person.
Yes, that's exactly the thing.
Hence proof psychology में ये करने की तुम्हें कुछ सीखने की जरूरत नहीं. I'm just kidding. सीखने की जरूरत है लेकिन bro, I'll tell you why I was watching this video, okay, Myers-Briggs के ऊपर. So एक तो इसने इतने छोटे छोटे INFJ, PTNG, JNPT, JNU, FBI, पता नहीं क्या
PTO
PTO, PFA, PDF, EOD सब डाल के
I am INGF. I know give a
Oh,
fuck.
you are IDGAF ना चूतिए.
I don't give. अच्छा तो वैसा है. I
Yeah.
don't give fuck is better. It's just I don't even give a fuck to complete that.
Okay. Cool. But I'll tell you, the reason I was saying this, मैं Myers-Briggs का एक वीडियो देख रहा था, उसमें they were talking about the INFJ people in which they put one personality trait, which is INFJ type people have this ability to make the person they are talking to feel that they are genuinely interested in listening to them. They are good listeners, essentially. ठीक है? I have.
भाई तू क्या बोला ठाकुर? Classics of the genre.
Param Desh.
No, but 100%,
But
100.
है भावतुक वो है वो भावतुक has the ability
100%.
where people talk to him and they feel that भावतुक is very interested. He
No,
is.
but I am.
But they also, yeah, exactly. You are. I'm saying that we have this thing where I'll just be like, yeah, fucking totally
But
interested.
Kautuk has ulterior motives. Kautuk is always listening to a person going like, इसको मैं कैसा घुमा के second hand stories पे डालेगा.
No. I think that's why that might be a consideration, but lower down on the thing. My first first order of priority is just like, bro, to like I always think of this, every person gets to live only such a small slice of existence, right? Like just such a small bunch of things that you get to live. Like you only have exposure to a very, very, very narrow set of existence. And I find it very interesting to talk to other people and figure out if this is all the possibilities that there are in life. And I find that very interesting. So,
Yeah. But anyway, got to give context on all these fucking four-lettered personality types that Myers-Briggs have said we are.
So, okay, to kind of just tell you a little bit about Myers-Briggs, created by a lady called, two women called Catherine Cook Briggs and her daughter Isabel Briggs Myers. So they were inspired by Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung and his book Psychological Types. So basically what happened is that Catherine Briggs, she got very interested in the idea that what makes
Is he playing a bit?
Yeah.
I'm just seeing if we are following.
Kautuk अटक गया है.
Kautuk is stuck, but I think Kautuk, it just seems like Kautuk, Kautuk listens well and Kautuk tells a story well also. So when he gets stuck, it's just like हम लोग सुनते क्या
अभी मालूम नहीं कौतुक अटक गया है कि हमारी बात सुन रहा है. बहुत serious.
He's a very attentive listener. So this is Kautuk in thought, in deep
हाँ, सो
thought.
कौतुक, फिर उसके बाद पता है क्या हुआ, फिर ना मैं ऐसे गया और फिर
हाँ.
कौतुक यार फिर ये हुआ, एंड देन आई एम सो ग्लैड कौतुक दैट यू आर एक्चुअली यू आर सच अ गुड लिसनर। ए आ
अरे.
गया बस।
You know what?
थैंक्स
You know
यार।
what I felt like? I
हम्म।
felt like, sometimes in movies when they show that a person has become a ghost, where
हाँ.
they can, like, other people are
एस्ट्रल
talking
एस्ट्रल
about,
प्रोजेक्शन।
yeah,
ये तो
other
दिख
people
रहा
are
है।
talking about you and you're saying things. Hey guys, I'm here. Hey guys, I'm here. And people are like, "अरे, अटक गया है, क्या हो गया, चला गया." Like it's
हम
that.
लोग अच्छा बात कर रहे थे तेरे बारे में, थोड़ी बोला कि कौतुक साला
हाँ.
गांडू। हम्म।
So
माइल्स
basically,
ब्रिग्स।
हाँ,
ये भी एडिट करना, ये एडिट मत करना अंतरिक्ष, ये एडिट करना भूल जाना तू
तो
अभी ये
कैथरीन,
रख देते अंदर तो पब्लिक कंफ्यूज की ये हम लोग एक्चुअली उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हैं कि हम एक बिल्ड कर रहे हैं कि अंतरिक्ष ये रख दे, हैशटैग अंतरिक्ष ये रख दे
हाँ.
कमेंट्स।
uh,
हाँ।
so Catherine Briggs basically gets interested in the idea of, what are the different types of people, how can you categorize them, and how can you use that to help people.
हाँ.
She started by doing, by trying to figure out, the personality of kids. So the neighborhood kids, she would call them in, talk to them, and then interview their parents as well. Get a bunch of questions, like how do you, what is the kid like, how are you treating the kid, etc., etc., and she tried to, like, classify this thing. So in total, they came out with 16 types. Now, at this point, I have to tell you guys that there's a lot of counter evidence saying that it's not at all accurate. It's not like you can't really
Yeah,
use.
because this just says all 8 billion people are just versions of 16 different people. That's
Yeah,
it.
exactly. There's way more nuance, and people's type keeps changing over time,
And
etc.
also with every passing year, decade,
Yeah, yeah.
like a lot of things change.
A lot of
So
things change.
Hmm.
yeah.
So
Anyway,
it's not set in stone, and don't ever hold your personality as a
Hostage.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You
like
don't,
never hold it because my aptitude test said that I should be a CA.
and I
Yeah.
could not have been
I
more.
would never let Varun handle my finance.
Yeah,
Actually,
They
Varun
didn't
अच्छा
say that
करेगा.
the full
Varun will
form
not
of
be
CA.
bad. Varun will be pretty
अबे
fucking good with finances.
no,
चूतिए,
no,
एक
no.
मिनट, अगर मुझे अकाउंट्स आता अच्छे से, अगर मैं कॉमर्स में किया होता कंटिन्यू, मैं फाड़ देता,
I
फाड़
mean, I
देता।
don't want to go to my CA and be like,
देख,
अच्छा ये साल बहुत
honestly, I
spend
agree with
किए,
Varun
थोड़ा
because
कम
अगर
किए.
मुझे अगर मुझे मिला होता चांस लॉयर बनने का तो मैं भी फाड़ देता अभी. इवन
हाँ
दो आई स्टडीड एंड आई फिनिश्ड, ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश्ड, मैं भी फाड़ देता गाइस. इट्स
हाँ, तो फाड़
दिस
देता
इज
अपनी लॉ की बुक, चूतिए।
I can't imagine other just going into court and quoting. Sir, according to this, in 1977, there was a monkey who did something similar, and no repercussion to that monkey. So why this client? Anyway,
And I'm just doing like weird Abbas Bastan storytelling also. But, Your Honor, the son was actually the guy who murdered.
yeah.
And I am the son. और फिर जज बोला, but I am the father. अबे क्या चल रहा है इधर? कट चल।
So so basically you have these 16 types are divided into four major, like they're formed by four major categories.
Hmm.
Four major categories are basically they're looking for, are you extroverted or are you introverted? Are you a person who senses, or are you a person, like, are you sensing or intuition based? Okay, so how do you take in information? Do you sense information or do you intuitively grasp it? Um, how do you make decisions? So do you make it via thinking or via feeling? Okay, and how do you prefer to live your outer life? Okay. So do you
मजे में।
no, do you judge people or are you perceiving? Okay.
Hmm.
Are you judging or are you perceiving? Not judge people, sorry. Um,
So this is the method acting format that we follow. We follow Carl Jung's method acting format. So you're sensing, feeling, intuiting. So it's all like thinking would be more space related. So your character, if you want to make it like that, then you can make a very thinking kind of character. So with thinking, it's space. So each thing corresponds to a 3D environment.
Interesting.
Like a person, yeah, an intuitive person, if you're playing an intuitive character, you don't look at the stuff that you're doing.
Huh? तू बस
So अगर
आके
तू कुछ कर
voice.
रहा है, I'm talking to Kautuk, but
Oh.
I'm instinctively doing something else. So now you've made a decision about the character that he's very intuitive with the stuff that he does. So now that's a conscious decision that you've imbibed on the character.
Oh, this
So it's
is
a great acting tool.
I'm
I
not
don't
in.
know what this acting tool is because I'm intuitive, outtuitive, extrovert, introvert, karate champion, dancer, actor, writer, comedy, producer.
So this is a character type called a narcissist. So that's a
Yeah.
Narcissist.
So basically, you have these like four broad categories, and depending
uh,
on which you are more. So, for example, if you are more introverted, you're introverted, intuition-based, feeling and judging. So then you will be INFJ, for example, right? So that's how they.
Bro, I have to give it to them that they were able to say, categorize into 16 and remember all these abbreviations what they fucking stand for. मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हो जाता ब्रो. तू FNJT है? नहीं नहीं भाई, मैं JNPT हूँ. एक मिनट, सॉरी, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई. क्या है इसमें?
J- JNPT.
Yeah. So now the thing is that we obviously don't want to take the whole personality test, but the personality test is done with a bunch of questions. And
Guys,
these
we'll have all the
questions,
tests in the comments, and because now we have Antriksh, we will actually have it in the description. So all the tests that we've spoken about, Antriksh, let's make sure we put them. Ha.
so now what we want to do right now is that it's a very extensive questionnaire. You can, if you want to figure out what you are or if you know who you are, amazing. But if you want to figure it out, please go to this, do all the questions. It's great.
Hmm.
Now we've basically gone through some of the questions and we found that there were some which were very thought-provoking and worth kind of like talking about. Okay, so I'll just ask you a few of them. So both of you, do you find the idea of networking or promoting yourself to strangers very daunting?
No.
I find it troublesome. I find it like to strangers it's a little difficult, and it's a little tough for me when I'm trying to push stuff like with the
Yeah.
podcast it's easier. It's easier on the podcast rather than going to somebody else's interview or something like that. And like I had a tough time during Canada promotions.
Yeah.
I would keep deflecting. Yeah, I would keep deflecting from. I'm just randomly doing bits, doing
नहीं,
silly stuff in the interview, lying.
मैं बेचीज हूँ भाई, बेचीज. मेरे तो वो कौन बनी शिखर में थी कि इंटरव्यू मेरा था भी नहीं, फिर भी सो आई एम एक्चुअली वी आर डूइंग दिस. भाई आपको तो पूछा ही नहीं हमने, आप क्यों बोल रहे हो? नहीं नहीं भाई, सुन ले, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब.
I'm more on the other side of this because I
Uh,
have this now I realize it's a handicap. I've got this terrible notion lodged in my brain. The work should speak for itself. But the thing is that
uh.
I mean, great, but at this point in time, there is so much content and so many things that you need to be
See,
the best
the
advocate
work
for your
will
own work.
speak. Kautuk, the work will speak for itself. But the problem is everybody else is shouting. So the work is just speaking.
Yeah.
That's why
No,
you also need to raise your
fair
volume.
point. Also, words will speak to the person, but that person still has to watch the work that is speaking. So you
Yeah.
have to speak to the person to watch your
Yeah.
work
Yeah.
speak.
And if you don't speak to a human being, then how are they going to listen when somebody else is shouting inside their ears? So you speak while somebody else is shouting. And when you speak louder, that person raises their volume more. So when you speak
So
over another spoken word, that
there
is
no,
when the
and
actual speech comes through.
you have to be your work's best advocate. And what I realized is that the way to kind of think of it in my own head to kind of just make sense for me was to be like, okay, look, the work will speak for itself, but to give the work its best chance, you also have to be its best advocate.
Yes,
So
100%.
do it for
I am
100%.
best
that reason,
advocate.
for no other
Guys,
reason.
please, Adar is advocate. एक hand. I'm
Dude, because I'm
sorry.
amazed, man. I'm amazed by people who are really good at self-promotion and are at it. Like with
Yeah.
no self-consciousness, bro. Like डालते रहते हैं, डालते रहते हैं, डालते रहते हैं.
See, the
And
thing is, we say he shamelessly promotes. Why do we have the word shame in that thing? मैं अपना काम तो बोलूंगा ना, मेरा काम है, मैं तो प्रमोट करेगा अपना काम.
No,
yeah.
but because it's considered very self-ish होगी, क्या खुद की तारीफ कर रहा है. अबे तो मैं खुद, अगर मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं करूंगा तो और कौन करेगा? या तो फिर तू कंफर्म मेरे को लिख के दे कि जब भी मेरा कुछ काम हो, ये 100 लोग तारीफ कर रहे हैं मेरी, तो मैं नहीं करता, मैं सिर्फ रीशेयर करूंगा, लेकिन पब्लिक नहीं कर रही है या नहीं देख रही है या देख
No, so
के यू नेवर नो, तो
part
अपने
of that also
देख।
comes from the idea that if you keep talking about yourself, right, like you come across as self-centered, you come across as lacking humility, etc., which has its place. But I think as long as you are talking about your work and not just yourself, I think then there's a distinction. So
No, and I also believe like the more good and the more positive and the more this you speak about it, the more chance you give it to actually
do
sort
well.
but manifest
Yeah.
into bigger and better things for yourself. You know, like you constantly नहीं मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ, एक self doubt पूरा टाइम उसमें दबाते रहे, तेरा काम भी उतना अच्छा नहीं आएगा. I'm not saying
But
go
even
start being
us,
like, oh, I'm amazing. No, but
even
बात
us
कर,
to a
put
certain
out there.
degree, नहीं, but even us to a certain degree, when we're promoting Markasam right now, we're always
Yeah.
like, एक कैसा घुमा के कुछ make it make sense and not just go, hey guys, welcome to the podcast, buy your ticket right
Yeah.
now. नहीं, हमको घुमा के ये Rorschach
No, but
test
it's
में मेरे
also
को
it's also
Markasam
way
के
more
pitch.
entertaining for me this way. So
Yeah.
um
As long as people are buying it, which you better fucking buy.
नहीं तो देख, Varun has this psychopathic tendency.
मैं थोड़ा पौना साइकोपैथ हूँ, समझा ना, मैं आ जाऊंगा तुम्हारे घर. पौना
psychopath is
साइकोपैथ.
great.
पीपी, पौना साइकोपैथ.
पौना साइकोपैथ is a nice भाई name. अगर हम लोग
हाँ, और उसका
बॉम्बे
डिस्प्ले
की एक
पिक्चर
भाई
यही
की
है
पिक्चर,
सर.
ये भाई कौन है, ये पौना साइकोपैथ आ गया रे.
अरे भाई, ये मुझे लगता है 25% तो तेरी वजह के रहेगा भाई, बाकी 75% एनालाइज करेगा भाई कि वो जो कर रहा है वो सही कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा. वो कैसे करेगा एनालाइज भाई,
वो
वो पेपर
मॉरल
लेके
कनंड्रम
घूमता
में
भाई,
पड़
उसको
जाता है
खोल
भाई.
लेता है, उसके अंदर देखता, अच्छा इंक आज नहीं.
He has only he has 3/4 remorse and 1/4 no.
Yeah. But it's just, हाँ, it's एक side में a psychopath and the rest of him 75% is just analyzing, self deprecation. Oh my god, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं अपने लाइफ, philosophical बन जाता है. बाकी साइड चल गॉप.
Uh, okay, now this is a question I think I know the answers to for both of you. You prioritize and plan tasks effectively, often completing them well before the deadline.
भाई इसमें थर्ड ऑप्शन कहाँ है जो नहीं.
Like, so you have to say
Last moment.
strongly
Last
agree,
moment.
strongly disagree. And I think
Yeah,
Strongly
strongly
disagree.
disagree. Strongly
Strongly
Yeah,
disagree.
strong disagree.
So to tell you how we come up with shows also. We think of name, we find a date, we put
We don't think of
poster,
name, we
date,
find date.
ticket link,
Last time.
and then we're forced to write the show. So
Yeah.
that's the only way we can do it. Like,
But that doesn't mean it's a bad show. Okay, the process might
Yeah.
be different. The show is still banging. Huh.
no, and
I think we
it's a-
figured out how to hack our system.
exactly. I think the
this is our creative hack.
correct. And like with Uncensored also, dude, like we literally like we had nothing, and then we said, look, we have to do the show. It's been years. We put a date, and then we worked backwards, and like, and that's when you realize that action trumps thinking about action. Thinking about
Hmm.
action.
That is how Donald Trump also works.
Also,
हाँ
true.
भाई.
कर दो, बाद में सोचेंगे
देख
भाई.
ले यार, देख ले
Bro,
यार.
असली नार्सिसिस्ट तो वो है भाई. उसकी पर्सनालिटी टाइप क्या होगी? He can be another. You are a very Trump personality.
He's the 17th. He's the 17th personality.
Okay, the next one is this. People's stories and emotions speak louder to you than numbers or data.
Yeah, I
Yes.
would say so.
Yes.
स्टोरी में मजा
हाँ.
आता है भाई. तू मेरे को दिखा रहा है पाई चार्ट, ग्राफ, वीक निम्बला, हट बता स्टोरी बता क्या कैसे लगा तुझे?
No, this also means that if you had to make a decision, right? Statistics says XYZ, but if you hear a really compelling story, you would err on the side of story.
Yeah, possible.
ओ, तो तू ब्लू स्पॉट में इन्वेस्ट करता ठाकुर.
मैं ब्लू स्मार्ट रेगुलरली ले रहा हूँ. मैं रेगुलरली ले रहा हूँ. मेरे
ले रहा
पैसे
था.
रखे उनके पास.
ले रहा
हाँ,
It's a
हाँ
great
भाई.
story. Guys, we're saving the environment and giving you comfort. It's too good to be true. Yes. And that's why we're giving it to you, Varun, just for you.
we are saving the environment and giving us comfort.
Yeah. In DLF Camellia,
Camellia.
43 goes. Guys, the context is Blue Smart, which was that EV cab company. उन लोग का मालूम पड़ा कि founders were siphoning money for luxury spends on themselves. So that's what it was about.
And अभी फिलहाल तो बंद पड़ा है।
कुछ
हाँ जी,
उसने 800 करोड़ लिया था और खाली 600 करोड़ स्पेंड किया, तो 250 करोड़ का भंकस कर रहे हैं ये लोग। याह,
मजे।
जायको का
दो सौ
टेस्ट।
पचास करोड़ में कितना और 150 200
हम्म,
ईवी आ जाएगा? 1000 20
Uh,
लाख।
this I want to know from both of you. Interesting.
हाँ।
You prefer to do your chores before allowing yourself to relax. Do you finish all your work and then be like, "Acha, main," or do you go like, "Ki, bro, I have work, therefore I'm doing the chores."
So
bit of
I
both, bit of
I
both.
tend to do that, and recently I've been finishing the chores and I'm happier. Like yesterday खाना खाने के बाद so normally I do the dishes in the morning, कि मैं उस सबको rinse विंस करके छोड़ देता हूँ, and then in the morning. But the thing is you wake up with, oh shit, ये करने का। कल रात को खाना खा के मुझे पता है आज सुबह पॉडकास्ट है, तो मैंने रात को कर दिया बिकॉज सुबह होएगा नहीं। रात को कर दिया। आई स्लेप्ट द मोस्ट साउंड स्लीप। ऐसे यार
Yeah.
सब कुछ साफ है, सब कुछ हो गया है।
Uh,
I'll tell you, मेरा कौन सा अलग है. My test is when you come back home from a holiday. It's how long you take to unpack your bags.
यस, आई हैव
You know,
स्टार्टेड डूइंग
and
इट इमीडिएटली
between
बिफोर आई इवन शावर। बैग खोल के सब कुछ निकाल के डाल दो एंड
सीधा.
देन गो फॉर योर शावर।
So
नहीं,
like 9 out of 10 times I would do that. एक दो बार मेरा मिस हो जाता है अगर बहुत थक गया हो तो, बट आके सीधा निकाल के बैग अंदर कपड़े धोने में मैं पूरा निकाल के रेडी.
I
प्रोएक्टिव
think
टू बी लेजी, दैट्स द थिंग,
no,
प्रोएक्टिव टू बी लेजी।
I completely get what Adar is saying about the fact that you feel more relaxed when all your chores are done. But I procrastinate hardcore on chores, so
दैट्स व्हाट,
तो चोर भी नहीं होता और रिलैक्स भी नहीं होता है तो बीच में लटकता रहता हूँ मैं।
Yeah.
अगर मैंने बैग खोल के रखा नहीं द मोमेंट आई अराइव, वो बैग अगले 4 हफ्ते के लिए वैसे ही पड़ा रहने
Same,
वाला है।
same, 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 same.
अबे निकिता का हनीमून का बैग अभी तक पैक्ड है. I love you baby. So what?
Uh, okay, then this was interesting. In disagreements, you
हाँ,
prioritize proving your point over preserving the feeling.
Always, always.
ऑलवेज।
मैं अपना पॉइंट पहले बताऊंगा, मैं तेरी बात सुनूंगा ही नहीं.
उसमें उसमें
और
वो हो
जोर जोर
जाता है
से
ना।
चिल्ला के अपना पॉइंट बताऊंगा ताकि सामने वाला चुप हो जाए और फिर झगड़ा और बढ़ जाए. That's the चूतिया.
Yeah,
That's
that's the
चूतिया.
problem. If you just prioritize listening,
Yeah, just
you
hold
and you
yourself
know
back.
also internally, कि
Yes.
if I just shut up for 30 seconds, this fight will be done.
Bro, my brain is saying चुप बैठ 2 सेकंड just संयम से, and my mouth is moving at like twice the pace, and मेरे को दोनों के बीच में सुनाई दे रहा है, लेकिन साला मेरी ये आदत क्यों नहीं जाती? बहुत गंदी आदत है लेकिन.
In fact, I think it's a very, very opposite because what happens to me is usually I like मैं disagreement में पढ़ता ही नहीं हूँ
अच्छा,
because
तू नॉन कॉन्फ्रंटेशनल है बिल्कुल.
because I just
Ah,
I think about it and then I go like, okay, what could the other person have been thinking at this point? Like I'm sure that like they can't maliciously be fucking it up.
Yeah.
And so I just go like, look, I like I'll figure some. Meaning I don't get into that most.
no, but when Kautuk gets confrontational, it's fucking hilarious because when Kautuk gets confrontational, मतलब
His face
Kautuk,
changes.
yeah,
His
his
face
face
changes.
changes and you know instantly कि कौतुक ने ये पिछले 4 घंटे से या 4 दिन से दबा के रखा हुआ है, तब
Yeah,
जाके ये
yeah.
फटा है।
ब्रो, मैं अगले बार जब कौतुक ना, मैं वो एक फोटो ले लूंगा उसका, क्योंकि उसपे ना कौतुक की एक शक्ल एक सर्टेन वे में हो जाती है जब वो गुस्सा है. कोई किसने हक दिया, कोई ये हुआ, ये शो का बराबर नहीं हो, उसने ये नहीं भेजा, ये वो.
I'm very curious to
क्या
know this.
रिसर्च भेजता है. आई हैव सीन कौतुक फेस, यू नो.
No,
कौतुक
but I'm
कौतुक
very curious.
it can't happen, man. It just can't. It's just I'm
एक
done.
एक हो
I'm
जाता
done.
है.
Like
And
so,
when Kautuk is done, you know everything is done because
All
Kautuk
options are
is-
over. All
Yeah.
options are over.
yeah, like so usually it's that I'll try to be like, okay, let's give leash, and then like, okay, there's nothing else that is good. Yeah, so I think I'm that, but I'm also like a bad fighter in the sense that a lot of times I will still not say fully what I want to say. So and then
You know,
that's a terrible.
You know, when you're not fighting with your partner and you're ekdam chill, that time will tell you what is it about your fighting style that they don't like. So
And that will
मेरे
start a
को-
fight.
No, फिर मैंने कंट्रोल कर दिया, because then you're proving their point. You know,
Yeah.
मेरे को उसने उस दिन बोला कि when you're fighting, you always go into defensive mode first. तू सीधा पहले मैंने ऐसा ये क्या, which is true. Which is true.
It's
I
true.
know. and I know while I'm doing it कि बहन चोद ये 6 दिन बाद मैं सोचूंगा ना I'm going to feel so fucking stupid. Stop doing it, but now you're too far in, so you
Yeah.
fucking see it through. And then you realize if sometimes you just take a second, no matter how much what the other person has said, it doesn't have to be your spouse. It can be anybody, parents, brother, friend, random stranger on the street. एक second, if you just take to just think about it, a lot of
Yeah.
things
भाई
would be
अगर
saved.
स्ट्रेंजर ऑन द स्ट्रीट मुझे बोलेगा यू गेट डिफेंसिव, मैं उसको लाफा दे रहा हूँ यार। तू
फिर तेरे
तू कौन है
offensive.
बोलने वाला?
Yeah, like I wish I had a little bit more of what you guys have in terms of
Maresh.
no, not Maresh. The
What do you mean I'm getting defensive? What the fuck does that?
no, just like fully expressing जो प्रॉब्लम है, जो मेरे को लग रहा है, मैं बोल दिया हूँ. At least
हाँ.
मैं बोल दिया. Like
हाँ.
I feel like there is some where on two ends of the spectrum, the
हाँ.
correct style is in the middle.
मिडिल
हाँ.
कि थोड़े टाइम सुन भी लो, लेकिन
हाँ.
अगर
हाँ.
तुमने अपना पूरा सुना है, देखा, सामने वाला बिल्कुल भी आ रहा नहीं है, हाफिज हो, फिर तुम दो एक
हाँ,
उसको.
चढ़ जाओ.
वो तो गोल्डन रेशियो है भाई. वो कैसे मिलता है? ऐसा मिलता है तो पूरी दुनिया एकदम ए देख, इट्स ओके.
भाई मुझे ये बहुत मस्त लगता है
थोड़ी
because
चलता है.
the conversations you have, you're being too defensive, and then the other side is, why don't you tell me how you feel? Where do
Yeah.
I explain this problem? मैं बोलेगा तो मैं defensive, नहीं बोलेगा तो
But
मैं I'm not sharing.
there are some people, man, I just really admire them when you come across it in any kind of situation where they have this incredible ability to like only fight about the issue and not
Yeah.
about how they
Yeah.
are interpreting the issue, how
Yeah.
how they want you to feel, not feel, how the like it's so fucking amazing that they're calm and
But
methodical.
I've only seen this happen in like movies where somebody has written a character who's able to do that.
No,
You
I've
know,
seen it
there-
with people. I've seen it with
I've
people.
seen
I've seen
very
it with
few
people.
where they're able to argue about that specific moment, that time, point to point, without raising their tone
And
or
not
their
making it personal.
volume, and not make it
Hmm.
personal, very point to point. And the सामने वाला also taking it like that, because another issue that happens is एक अगर देखो बहुत ये बोल रहा है ना, you as the opposite person sometimes get even more like what, because you feel, wait, I don't have these fucking points listed down, I'm not able to control it, so what can I do to this? मैं थोड़ा
the
आवाज
scale.
बढ़ा देता हूँ, मैं
Yeah.
थोड़ा चिल्ला, मैं इसको इमोशनल बना, but you have also done this, then you know what I mean, like that clash gets too much where
Like there was one guy who
Arnab
no.
Arnab.
of course
Hey, Adar, remember that guy at the airport who dismantled an argument with just
Oh
one
God,
line?
that was beautiful. So there was this guy who was cutting in line. Okay, तो वो क्या लगेज में डालते हो तो तुम पहले अपना बैग डाल देते हो ना, बिकॉज वो ये होता है, तो उसने अपना ठूस दिया, किसी का रोक के अपना डाल दिया, एंड ही वेंट अहेड. Now the man next to me got angry at that guy for cutting his luggage off, while this man who's getting angry is cutting my luggage off and doing it. तो ये मेरे को गांड मार रहा है और कोई उसकी गांड मार के चला गया तो उसको गुस्सा आ गया.
straight forward.
हाँ, तो बाद में वो आदमी को जाके बोलता है, क्या सर हम गधे बैठे हैं क्या? तो बोलता है, मैंने क्या बोला आप गधे हो? खत्म.
Game over. What a like
I laughed so hard. मेरा गुस्सा जो था इस पे कि ये इस पे इरिटेट हो रहा है, मेरा सब कुछ निकल गया.
bro, some of there are like this is one of the traits of really good like leaders, bosses, etc.
Yeah.
Where they will criticize you only for the thing that is at the thing that you've done, and not the person you are who has done the thing.
Correct.
Yeah.
अबे तू नियत ही तेरी ऐसी. Like it's not. So बाप है वो. Okay. This I'm very interested in doing. You rarely second guess the choices that you have made.
No, bro,
Oh.
all the time.
All
I
the
mean,
time.
there are again, bro. This, any of the questions that we've been asked so far, I've never been able to give one decisive answer apart from a few. Is
But you
because
can be in the middle. You can say that, yeah,
है ना, तो
I don't
बीच में ही
feel
हूँ, bro. मैं
strongly.
आधे पूरे स्पेक्ट्रम के बेंच बीच में जाके अटका हूँ.
Yeah,
Because our decisions that you've taken, because you're like, fuck it, I don't care. This is what I believe in. This is what my gut says. Emotional हो, जो भी बोल, मैंने ले लिया है. I don't disagree. And there are times when you do like, fuck, bro, I wish ये किया होता. Actually, and that happens. A small example when for us as comedians, right? There was a time in 2014, 13, wherever, when we were just starting off with YouTube. और हम लोग स्टैंड अप करके वो जो डालने का एक था ना कि मैं डाल दूंगा मजा आएगा, और उसका एक you had this weird abandon with which you could just do it. And then
Yeah.
as the years passed, then that decision of, oh, should I just put it? Then it became into more like analyzing ki abhi ye kaisa, wo kaisa, second guessing,
Fear is the mind
imposter
killer.
syndrome. हाँ,
अबे वो ठीक है, तुम अभी अपने स्टैंड अप से किसी का पूरा वेन्यू बंद करा सकते हो. इट्स अ वियर्ड zone in which the stand up has gotten into. It's like you have to think about not just your safety, the safety of the stage, the lights, सबका safety देखना पड़ता है तुम लोगों
yeah,
को.
but you're also saying like as you yourself as a person, right? When how, I mean, I'll speak for myself कि मैं पहले जिस तरीके से जो था अभी थोड़ा कम हुआ, which I'm again sort of going back towards. So you sort of range on the different end of the spectrum, I think, at the time at which you've had
My-
to face certain decisions.
Yeah, like my classification for this is also like divided, where I think in my personal life, I've never second guessed things, but in my professional life, I'm always second guessing things.
Good point.
So
हाँ.
I
I enjoy, like, recently I've been reading a lot of fiction which is based on this only, like correcting past mistakes and stuff like that. So sci-fi fiction, which is like I'm reading this. I just finished this book called Recursion. Blake Crouch, the same guy who wrote Dark Matter, जो Apple TV पे भी है उसका टीवी शो.
हाँ, वो भी नहीं समझा, ये भी नहीं समझा, मस्त है
हाँ,
लेकिन
तो
काफी।
recursion is all about correcting past mistakes, and like it's just like how many times can you correct it to the point where you have to keep going further and further and further back.
yeah,
It's like, अच्छा इस पे ये हक गया, इस पे ये हक दिया, अच्छा shit, now I have to undo all of this, then I have to go further back, further back, further back.
yeah. So I think like in this scenario, like yeah, second guessing is yeah, like I think we're all on the same like middle path on this. Not strongly, or actually no. I guess second guessing, more second guessing than not. Okay. Speaking of changing the past, this question is: you are still bothered by mistakes that you have made a long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who the fuck wouldn't be? If you are not bothered by mistakes you made in the past, then you are a psychopath.
No, I think I am not bothered. I mean,
Not
like,
bothered by mistakes.
no. I'm bothered to an extent, but I think my outlook on it is you can't fix that. So then move on. Like,
No,
that's all.
so yeah, of course, but like it's not, that is you taking a decision as to how to move forward with it, right? But you're not going to be like, I don't care only about
No.
those things.
That
Huh.
that is. Meaning that so then I mean if
That's
you
what I'm saying. So if
that
you
way,
don't even
yeah.
see, it's not your past mistakes, you're not letting it seep into your present and your future. But the fact that those were mistakes you committed still be in your head, right? No?
Dude, like तुमको ये होता है क्या कभी-कभी where sometimes dude like you know those nights where it's very difficult to fall asleep,
हाँ.
right? You're just like tossing and turning in bed, and then your mind is like, okay, now it's time to play the greatest hits of every time you fucked up.
Yeah.
Like it's a film festival of all your worst mistakes.
August 12th, 2012, you did this. Oh, fuck, what a fucking
Yeah.
that. November 23rd.
And then you know it like you've it
Then
flashes.
your
You
butterfly
relive
effect,
it.
then the butterfly effect of the life that you could have had if you'd just not fucked up that one
Yeah.
time.
हाँ, वो भी है। तेरे
Yeah,
तेरे जो
चीज अगर
पैरेलल
मैंने-
यूनिवर्स तेरे दिमाग में है कि अगर मैंने ये किया होता तो
अगर मैंने यश चोपड़ा के आगे जाके ऐसा कुछ कर दिया होता भाई, if I didn't, अगर मैं
वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि यश जी वो मूवी के बाद ही चले गए तो
Bro, I really don't know why it is that your brain and body at that point in time, when you just want to sleep, you have told like
Yeah.
तू वहाँ लेटा है सोने के लिए, right? And why is it your brain can't play you like soothing memories, nice thoughts, you know, positive? नहीं.
you
Like,
did that for
तेरी
that
गांड
person, that was
मारता
so
आज।
sweet, you're a good person. क्या मस्त मजा आ रहा है।
Exactly.
ये देख अभी, ये देख तूने ये कहता, अरे मैं क्या हूँ, मैं क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं
उससे भी नींद तो आ जाएगी if that is happening. The गाना अगर
Dude,
चलने लगे
I wonder if there is one person out there who has no anxiety, no insecurities, and like you know when even when their brain plays all this shit, they're just like, ठीक है.
AI robot.
I wonder if there's one person. Okay, so last one. Ready?
हाँ.
You believe that pondering abstract philosophical questions is a waste of time.
Yeah. 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 Waste of.
Thakur is hard agree, no?
I'm
Yeah,
bored
yeah.
at the end of this question. कि चलना चूतिए chill कर.
चल,
Oh yeah. Chat. Chat.
Other, where do you fall on this?
I don't want to sit. Like I sometimes sit and ponder. I have had those moments where you're sitting in front of the window and just, what is the meaning? Just,
Are
just
you really
pondering.
though? Are you? I'm looking out of my window. I'm seeing a metro not completed. I'm seeing
Yeah.
fucking नीचे पी पी बज रहा है. उधर कुछ हो रहा है बकवास.
So I'm just thinking
कभी
when
भी
I
ऐसे सोच
watch,
के लाइफ.
I'm
मैं
just,
ऐसे
I'm also
कभी बैठ के
watching that
लाइफ
stuff
नहीं किया है. लाइफ
and
हो
thinking,
लाइफ.
नहीं
क्यों
किया
है
है तूने?
ये?
That's crazy. नहीं किया है क्या? ठाकुर किया
एक
तो
दो
होगा
बार
यार.
किया है वो
हाँ,
बता
एकदम.
हाँ.
Little dabble you must have done at some point. Like that is actually absolutely crazy. If you're a person who has never, who has had life happen and never questioned why. Just,
Yeah.
all right. Uh, I think I'm on the hard disagree one.
Yeah.
I became philosophical when I moved here. से मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ ये? क्या प्रॉब्लम है मेरे लाइफ में? अच्छा खासा सब था, वर्सोवा में रहता था. तू यहाँ पे आके एक
अबे
थोड़ा,
देख.
बस थोड़ा फ्रेश हवा के लिए मैंने अपनी
अदर,
गांड मारी.
funnily enough, हम लोग भी यही सोचते हैं.
हाँ.
गया, सब मस्त था इधर.
ब्रो 454 बीसी में बैठ के तू फिलोसॉफी कर रहा है, समझ में आया क्योंकि है ही नहीं तेरे पास. झाड़ पत्ते पानी स्टार्स यही है तेरा, और कुछ है नहीं. नेटफ्लिक्स नहीं है तेरे पास, आईपीएल नहीं चल रहा है.
यू थिंक सोक्रेटिस
तेरे
खाली
को
बकचोदी कर रहा था? तेरे हिसाब से
तो ऐसे
सोक्रेटिस
बैठा है
बकचोदी
कि
कर रहा
क्या भाई कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट है नहीं, कुछ टीवी भी है कैसे अभी तक बना नहीं. नेटफ्लिक्स पासवर्ड सर नेटफ्लिक्स में आया नहीं अभी तक. कुछ
था?
यूट्यूब यूट्यूब
सोक्रेटिस,
कुछ नहीं है.
सोक्रेटिस was the Greek
इसलिए
version of,
सॉक्रेटिस
हाँ नहीं, सोक्रेटिस
लाइफ.
वाज द ग्रीक वर्जन ऑफ उतना तो मेरे में ये भी क्या, उतना तो मेरे में फायदे भी नहीं है जितना लोग उठा लेते हैं. दैट इज सोक्रेटिस.
एक तो तेरा नाम सॉक्रेटिस है.
I really enjoyed the thought कि ठाकुर थे किसके philosophy is what you do if you are not distracted.
हाँ.
या
बिकॉज इफ यू डिस्ट्रैक्टेड देयर वाज फिलॉसफी का टाइम ही नहीं. ओह फक रोहित शर्मा आउट हो गया. क्या फिलॉसफी इसमें? नहीं तू थोड़ी लाइफ नहीं. मैच हैट्रिक ले ली उस दिन, रन आउट की, कल जीत गए. कल यूनाइटेड 5-4 क्या था? तू वो टाइम सोच रहा है. सोक्रेटिस अगर देख रहा होता कल की मैच, वो थोड़ी बोलता कि अरे द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ इज नथिंग ब्रो. इट्स
No, but Socrates, I mean, a philosopher would look at it and be like, then if they are capable of 5-4, then why they lose 2-1?
सीधा उधर से एक फ्री किक दूंगा उसको पन करके. चल निकल सॉक्रेटिस. इसे तो को बुलाता नहीं मैं.
But
ही वुड बी कॉल्ड सोक्रेटिस.
ओह प्रम.
on that note,
वाओ ऐसे छोड़ दे क्या पब्लिक ऑफर?
ऐसे.
okay, so basically,
बॉलीवुड कोई बॉलीवुड क्विज होएगा ना?
oh yeah, dude, do we have
एक
it?
वो भी है बिकॉज यू नो अभी वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्चुअली प्रॉपर पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट, यू नो डिस्टिंग्विशिंग पीपल इनटू 16 ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज ये वो. बट it started like that, ठीक है, and then it just devolved into answer these questions to find out which Bollywood celebrity are you. Yes, बोल
चल
बोल.
ये करते हैं live करते
I
हैं.
love the
देखा
what
था.
Bollywood actress are you? I want to see what Bollywood actress I am.
No, so I have one which I made. Antriksh, who's there at the back, and take the quiz. Okay, which Bollywood actor are you? तो तुम लोग बताओ. This is how the quiz goes. The personality test goes. What is your personality like? Okay. So
पूरा
I
कालजों का,
have-
सारा कालजों का एक एक निचोड़ के, what is your personality like? 5 वर्ड में.
No, figure out what Bollywood celebrity are you. Starts with what personality. What you've come to find out, they ask you only. Okay. So, Adar Gautam, what is your personality like? A, unique. B, cool. C, popular. D, great personality. Okay. E, strong. F, good looking. Because good looking is
Why
personality.
is that a personality trait? You know, it's that thing कि आदमी लंबा है. देख अमिताभ बच्चन, when they say अमिताभ बच्चन has a great personality, they mean अमिताभ बच्चन की हाइट बहुत ज्यादा है.
He means अरे क्या हाइटेड है हाइटेड. अपने बता अरे क्या हाइटेड है वो. हाइटेड मतलब पर्सनालिटी. क्या है तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी? क्या यूनिक, कूल, पॉपुलर, ग्रेट, स्ट्रॉन्ग या गुड लुकिंग?
Fuck,
Great.
man.
Yeah, exactly. Look at how vain this personality test is. कि इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं और ऑप्शन. तुम ग्रेट बेटर, ग्रेटेस्ट?
go with
कूल है क्या तू? कूल है?
नहीं,
पॉपुलर है?
He-
तू यूनिक है?
यूनिक चल.
तू
Unique,
यूनिक है?
चल.
तू
Weirdo.
क्या
हाँ,
है? तू
unique
भी
है
यूनिक
better
है?
way of saying weirdo.
क्यों
हाँ.
यूनिक है बहनचोद? किस बात पे तू किसने decide किया है? किसने डिसाइड किसने किया तुम लोगों ने? अच्छा यूनिक.
I think we just by the fact that we don't have that amount, we can overcome stage
No,
fright. We are unique.
आदर का गुड लुकिंग डाल. आदर का गुड लुकिंग डाल.
Okay, Mike. Okay, चल.
तेरा
Good luck.
पर्सनालिटी गुड लुकिंग है. ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट जॉनर? एक्शन, कॉमेडी, रोमांस, एक्शन, कॉमेडी, ड्रामा, ऑल? If you're doing a what Bollywood personality are you test,
All.
the answer has to be all because you
All.
don't specialize. तू सब करेगा.
Oh, I got it. Okay, so basically, if you wrote action or if you wrote action comedy, straight Akshay.
अक्षय
हाँ,
कुमार.
हाँ, अक्षय
अक्षय
अजय
कुमार,
आएगा.
सलमान.
तू रोमांस डालेगा शाहरुख
शाहरुख खान. हाँ.
वैसा.
ठीक है, तो
तू
फिर
ऑल डालेगा तो भाई आएगा.
Which is weird because
What is your, in fact, I should come, what is your personality like? Answer Salman. You select that and then it tells you what Bollywood celebrity are you? Akshay. And you're like, बहन चोद ये कौन सा क्विज है भाई? मेरी
ये डाल, मेरे लिए वो डाल, कॉमेडी डाल, कॉमेडी.
कॉमेडी. अबे मैं डाल रहा नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ पढ़ रहा हूँ सवाल.
Oh,
How many films do you do in a
अबे
year?
लेकिन we need
how many
we
films
need
do I
to
do in a year? What the fuck? I hope one.
I like this quiz and personality test been taken by normal people who are not necessarily actors. So why the fuck would you put how many
love it.
films will you do in a year if you become an actor? Okay.
Hey Thakur, why don't you share this test to me and Kautuk and then we are talking about it, तो हम लोग साथ साथ में लेते
साथ में
हैं, then
करते
we'll
हैं,
share
भेज
our
भेज भेज.
answers.
Chat में डाल.
Okay. Antariksh, तू भेज दे. By the way, let me tell you, Antariksh took this test at the back end, and Antariksh, the Bollywood celebrity that Antariksh is Hrithik Roshan.
क्या बात
Oh.
है.
हाँ, Antariksh Hrithik है.
Okay, ready. चल. I've opened it. I'm giving all my information to find out which actor I am. I'm unique. अरे, I'm ready to start the thing here. Start. What is your personality? Unique.
हाँ, मैं गुड लुकिंग डाल रहा है, गुड लुकिंग.
अरे, it's not. Okay. Favorite genre, comedy. How many films do you do in a year? We were here, ना?
हाँ.
चल, Thakur.
If
how
you
many
were to become an actor, तू कितना पिक्चर करता? I like how they're asking you that because तू कितना पिक्चर करता depends on वो टाइम पे तेरी औकात क्या है और तेरे को कितने प्रोड्यूसर
नहीं, अगर if you say one straight Amir Khan, if you say five plus
5 अक्षय कुमार.
अक्षय कुमार
And
और
if you say 0 then Vatsal Seth.
या अगर तू शाहरुख को 22 में पूछता कि तू कितने फिल्म करेगा, वो बोलेगा 3.
अगर शाहरुख को तो 92 में पूछता तो वो 22 फिल्म करता चूते वो टाइम पे कि हाँ मैं कुछ भी कर लूंगा.
But I think I would like to do 2 films a year because
Yeah,
6 films,
I'd
one
like to
film
do
is-
three, but like just
तुम्हें वो पैसे नहीं कमाना है, मैं तो 22 कर रहा हूँ भाई.
नहीं, मैं 2.
मैं सीधा
Quality over
बम्बार्ड कर
quantity.
दूंगा अपनी
हाँ,
शक्ल सबके.
मरने का नहीं है मेरे को, मैं तीन.
मैं 2
अक्षय
फिल्म
कुमार मर रहा है क्या? वो भाई वो 36 पिक्चर कर रहा है साल के.
See, I'd do 2
36.
films. My first film would make 200 crore. My second film would make
हाँ, ऐसे करने का.
My
आठ
second-
पिक्चर बॉलीवुड के 200 करोड़ नहीं कमाए, तू डेब्यू कर
Let
रहा है
the
200
work
करोड़ में.
and
let
my
the
second
work scream for itself. Let the work
Exactly.
scream for itself.
and my second film would make, it would shatter records and it would make 1,200 crores.
1,200.
I think we should take the crores out of behind that 1,200. It would make 1,200. It scattered all
ढाई
records.
सौ रुपया.
Second,
1200 रुपया कमाए तेरी पिक्चर ने.
2,500 रुपया.
this quiz has asked me in the fourth question, which surname do you like the most?
So the
That's what I'm
options
saying.
are Khan, Roshan, Bachchan, Kapoor, Devgan, not specific.
No, they've asked you that. And after this, नहीं answer कर. तू answer कर. I want to see after
Khan.
saying
I
what
want to
surname
write
would you
Khan and
like.
get Akshay Kumar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I figured out how Antarish got Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah.
Imagine if you selected Roshan and then the result came out Rakesh.
देवगन. अच्छा चल कर.
Oh, Antarish has written to us saying, I said Devgan and I got Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. I have said Bachchan. मैं बच्चन बोल दिए.
Okay,
Oh,
I am
shit.
saying Not specific.
That's good.
Now the thing is, I have committed to Bachchan, and now it is who's your favorite Bollywood actress? Kajol, Rekha, Kareena Kapoor.
Why does the Bollywood personality test also have gossip inside it? देख भाई बॉलीवुड है, gossip तो चाहिए ही. अमिताभ तो रेखा तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा. ये जो
Shilpa Shetty,
अक्षय
every
कुमार.
beautiful girl in the industry. मतलब to Turkey. And the
The
last
actor you
one,
are is Shakti Kapoor. Oh.
Oh man.
last
Okay.
one is doesn't have one, which grammatically doesn't make
Right.
sense. Your favorite Bollywood actress is parentheses doesn't have one.
Yeah, you don't have a favorite Bollywood actress.
Listen,
Yeah,
I'm
but don't
sorry,
have one, na?
Ah.
but between Kajol, Rekha, and Kareena Kapoor, why is Shilpa Shetty there after that?
Akshay
अरे
Kumar
अक्षय
ना.
कुमार.
Oh.
But I think
Rekha
my
started-
answer is already made now. Now I'm going towards Rekha. So अभी
Yes.
मैं-
I'm picking. I'll pick Shilpa Shetty.
Kareena.
Okay. What do you like most about Bollywood? Options are movies, actress, controversies, popularity, films, fashion.
What do
Adarsh,
you-
तेरा क्या है आंसर?
Is that the only option?
आदर तेरा क्या ऑप्शन है? Movies
मेरा
or films?
what do you like most about Bollywood? I think right now it's the controversies. I'm enjoying controversy the most right now.
But what is the difference between movies and films?
Ah,
Who does movies and who does films?
I think movies are the festival type movies,
नहीं रे, festival film होता
and
है.
films are the
That's a
ये
distinction. I think movies are massy, films are.
हम्म. अच्छा movies are मासी. अच्छा
I have no idea what to
मैं भी
do.
ले रहा हूँ simultaneously ये quiz.
Okay, I'm going with films.
controversy.
What do you work
What
for? Do you work for awards, family, audience, records, fun?
family? I think I'm committed to Amitabh Bachchan at this point. मेरे को अभिषेक कमाना नहीं है तो मुझे कमाना पड़ेगा.
Akbar. What do I work for? I work
1 second, guys. Have you gone to the last question? The
No,
last
no, wait,
question.
wait, wait,
हाँ,
wait,
जल्दी
wait.
कर,
wait.
जल्दी कर.
Hold on.
Hmm.
I work for audience.
Hmm.
Which of these songs do you love to dance to? Channa Mereya, Jai Jai
And if you're dancing to Channa Mere Ya Mere Ya,
चन्ना मेरे या मेरे.
और रो रहा है वो
चन्ना
गाने में,
मेरे.
और तो कर रहा है तो भाई गंदा एक्टर है क्योंकि तू इमोशन ही नहीं पकड़ रहा गाने की.
हाँ, All is well, लड़की क्यों, तू चीज बड़ी है, सिंघम, मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, and से शावा शावा. I think my option is. Fuck, dude, none of these are dance songs.
दे यार वो तू चीज बढ़िया मस्त में अवार्ड जीता भाई बचपन में.
Hmm.
रिपब्लिक
चीज
डे,
बड़ी मस्त
इंडिपेंडेंस
works.
डे.
I am dancing to Singham.
Again, you can just walk to it. You can't really dance to
I'm
it.
dancing to it.
I
Stunt
think
man.
I don't know. All is well. All is well is the most silly, stupid
चल
dance number.
सिलेक्ट कर और आंसर्स ले फटाफट.
Stuntman is off. What is off? Stuntman is
मतलब वो
off.
छुट्टी ले लिया है, मर गया है, जो भी. How does it matter? He's not
Off
there.
duty.
Oh,
He's
What
off.
do you
मर गया सर stuntman. The
हो
stuntman
गया
died in
बेचारा.
the last shot. What
Do you
would you?
do you do your own stunts? You don't have a stuntman? You go home, ask someone else to do it, do another scene.
why would you ask someone else to do it? Clearly, there's no stuntman on set. तो कोई ऐसे यार कह रहे आदमी
एडी को भेज दिया. ये तेरा 7th एडी. ये कर तू.
प्रशांत तू कर.
Okay, I think I would.
Do another scene.
Yeah. No, I'm going to. I'm going to go home.
तू घर ही चला जाएगा. आज काम ही नहीं.
मैंने
Alright,
देखा
I
do
am-
it yourself because
I
मेरे
am
को
on the
पता है
last
करने में.
question. Chal. Adar, what would you pick?
I think
What is it?
Amir Shahrukh. अरे
Okay,
but
so
I'm
sorry.
committed to Amitabh Bachchan.
No,
It's
but that's the
Amitabh-
thing. It makes no difference. The last question is which of these actors do you like? And they've given you pairings. Salman, Ranbir, Hrithik, Abhishek. ठीक है.
आमिर शाहरुख.
तूने आमिर शाहरुख किया. मैंने
Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan, Saif Ali Khan, and Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan.
हाँ
इसके बाद
मैंने
रिजल्ट आ
ऋतिक
जाएगा
रोशन
ना the moment I click.
मैंने ऋतिक वाला किया. ठीक है. आदर बता which celebrity are you?
I have clicked.
I'm
I
thinking
am-
Amir Shah Rukh. Wait. Wait,
God.
1 second. What did you get?
Saif Ali Khan. It
Yeah,
makes
Saif.
no sense.
Your favorite surname is Bachchan, your favorite actress is Rekha.
Rekha.
Like Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan. So you are Saif.
Dude, okay, Thakur, what did you get?
No, I'll end. Tu kar. I'll do mine last.
I have
तू रेखा है.
gotten because I'm dancing to Singham and I do 2 films a year. I have got Amir Khan.
Oh, wow. And because I selected 3 films a year, favorite actress में करीना कपूर लिखा है, surname you like में nothing specific लिखा है, actors you like में मैंने ऋतिक रोशन लिखा है, and I have got me.
Oh shit.
Bell Bottom. I have got Bell Bottom in my personality test
Wow.
that I did as Varun. Bell Bottom. It's true.
Nice.
Cosmically meant to be.
Yeah, bye.
Hey,
Bro,
Thakur, what does it say at the bottom? Like, there is one reason they've given. So I've got, you are the perfectionist, you take your time and like being unique.
you are the Khiladi Kumar of Bollywood because you are a stuntman taking risks all the time. The fuck kind of fortune cookie is this?
You are Saif Ali Khan and you have royalty since childhood. How else do you have royalty? Either you have some royalty or you're not.
Guys, if you would like to take this test, it is by profs.com.
Pro props.
Pro
You know, the
props.
leading psychoanalytical test going around nowadays. But I think it's a
Maza.
perfect time to call the episode. You know?
Yeah.
All right, that's it from this episode of the Internet Said So. We were talking about the different personality tests, etc., that you can take. Let us know what your answers were in the comments. If you missed out on any, and if there are any psychologists watching it, any factoids, any fact checking is fully welcome. Also, please, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe. You know, people who like, share, subscribe are in the type
A
T.
plus.
They are the best people. They're the
Yeah,
best
yeah.
people. Carl Jung ने खुद बोला है.
Statistically proven. Yeah.
या काल उन्होंने बोला अगर आप लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करोगे आप अच्छे इंसान बनोगे तो वो करो और प्लीज टिकट खरीद लो यार और आ जाओ हमको देखने के लिए इंडिया टूर भी करने वाले हैं विल बी अनाउंसिंग डेट्स फॉर दैट वेरी वेरी सून so yeah that's it thank you for watching we'll see you again next week until then it's goodbye take care tada salamesh
गाइस हम लोग जोडियाक वोडियाक पे घुसे ही नहीं.
भाई वही चलने वाला है eight answers let me predict what zodiac sign are you I'm like what और मैंने लिया वो टेस्ट मैं पाइसिस हूँ मैं चूते मैं तो एरीज हूँ लेकिन ये क्या लॉजिक है
अच्छा ये how would you describe yourself as playful, energetic, intelligent and quick-witted?
who are these people who are like no I'm none of the above I'm actually quite sad lonely alone
But who are you? Who are you? Would you describe yourself playful, energetic, intelligent and quick-witted?
I don't know I guess quick-witted playful fucking all of the above
Yeah. Then you have the
narcissist
personality of a monkey.
हाँ क्या बात कर रहा
क्या बात है
ये
सुपर
मंकी
Our
One of the
personality test भी
quick-witted
है
monkeys in the
what an
world.
end what an end
क्या बात है
by the way cheers Amras
ये
अरे
भेजना
मस्त.
मेरे पास सॉलिड फॉर्म है उसका लिक्विड नहीं है